Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to give an agency access to Google Analytics. And it doesn't appear that there's a way for the agency to request access in Google Analytics 4, so this is something that you will have to give access to the agency. So assuming you already have an analytics account, the first thing you'll want to do is go to a new tab, type in Google Analytics, and then click analytics.google.com. And then click on this little admin cog at the bottom left. And then here there should be account access management. You click that. And then you can hit plus and then add users. And then add in the user's email that you're trying to give somebody access to. And then notify new users by email, and then click administrator, and then hit add. Or, if there's some other reason to give them less access, then, do that as well. But just look at the details for each of these and pick the appropriate one. So if it's an agency owner, you'll probably want to do administrator. Okay, and then hit add up here at the top right. And that should be it. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel.